Hi, ETHDenver is literally on the nose. So I will give you a full breakdown how to prepare for networking, how to make sure that you're networking and that people remember about you after the event and you don't have an awkward conversation. Now, this is one of the strategies that I shared on the webinar that was a couple of weeks ago that I made it like around an hour and around 100 plus different strategies on how to prepare to events, specifically as the BD. If you're interested in it, there's going to be a first link down in the description. Go watch the full recording of the webinar. Now I'm going to break down the full topic. So the topic is this: when you're networking to ETHDenver, what I like to do first and the biggest problems when you're talking with people, everybody is talking the same thing, really. Like everybody starts telling you numbers, things, whatever they do, use cases, and all the things, which is not really fascinating. If you're speaking with 200 people a day, you don't really remember who is doing what. So you can think about how can I differentiate from everybody else, and the way that I have come up with is I'm telling everyone in the beginning when they ask me what I do, I tell them that I sell avocados. This allows me to create an unforgettable experience because sometimes it's going to be a laugh, it will help me to crack the ice, it will help me to start the conversation, and in the end they will remember me that I am the avocado guy. So after we do this short period of introduction and haha, I'm asking the person that I'm speaking with, I'm asking them 3-5 questions. In these 3-5 questions, I want to listen carefully to what they say. I want to understand what they're saying, and I want to pay attention. If you are paying attention and you're fully listening to your prospect or to the person that you're speaking with, they will get a feeling that it was a deep conversation, because it will really be a deep conversation. The deepness of the conversation is configured not by the amount of time that you spend with the person talking, but by the amount of time by the amount of attention that you give to this person. You can pay as much attention that it will almost feel intimate, and you're like asking like just 3-5 questions and you're having a 5-minute conversation. This is a real secret to doing fast networking, but not being but like going really deep. So I hope you understand what I'm saying and this actually makes sense, but this is I want to break down like very important skills that are very hard to attain, but if you do them, you are golden. You will always get what you want from other people. And listening very deeply and paying them attention, so they get a feeling like they know you for the whole life, but you just ask them for 5 questions. This is a real secret of doing a good networking, doing good BD. Then after you understand that, okay, they're answering good, by their answers that they can be a customer of yours, you tell them in 30 seconds, who are you and what problems do you solve? Don't focus on features, we do X, Y, and Z. Tell them, okay, those customers use us to solve this and this pain point. And don't just talk marketing language, like we streamline pipelines, we do this, we do that. It's like, it's not interesting for everyone. Try talking the real language. We figure out all the pain that the BDs are having in Telegram, and we have a simple automation solution to fix that. Try speaking the language that your prospect will speak to themselves, and then you will have the most of the success. Then your 30-second elevator pitch will actually land where it should land. If it's a fit, Telegram handle, make a photo, promise them that you will follow up with more details, and get a commitment from them to book a call with you. That's it. Say goodbye, shake the hand, and do it with the next one. Each day you can do 50 of this, at least you can do 50 of this. So definitely go take this as your weapon and start smashing with the business. This is just one of the things that I shared on the webinar. If you're interested in more, definitely go watch the webinar. And if you have any more questions about this, drop me a DM. I'm gonna leave my contact details for Telegram, or just join the Web3 Sales Gym group and we're gonna talk there. See you. Bye-bye.